Alright fellas, what's going on? My name's Edgar, welcome to Go Fast RC. We're playing with trucks. Look at that. We got Monster Slash, DBXL, XRT. I had the tiniest truck here. Let's hit that one. Oh! Oh, they made it! It'll make it. Oh! It's the DBXL. Oh! Dude, that's badass. So this is where we're at. This is what we're trying to jump. I'm down here. That's what we're jumping up. Nice. Alright, how do I get up there? I'm gonna come this way? I think. Oh my god, don't die. Got the bowl. Dude, I'm on the constant state of verge of falling.
I'm jumping right there first. Oh, okay. Here we go.
What? Oh my god, dude.
Battery came unplugged.
Damn.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Where's my truck? Oh, there it is.
Over there.
I want to try that. I want to jump it. Let's try it. We'll do a short little jump. I don't know where I'm going.
Hope it's on the wheels.
Oh, there I am. Hello. We got tiny. We got mini maxes being made over there.
It's okay.
Are you ready? Ah, dang. Oh.
Hey, do you think if I hit this right here, I could land down here?
Maybe.
Oh, I wonder what.
I want to move out of the way.
I think I could if I went balls out.
I think we should move.
Yeah, that'd be great.
I'm gonna move.
My survival instinct kicking in.
Right? Zach, you're in the danger zone.
I know, but I can dodge it. He can see it coming.
Zach's like, I'm a cat on my feet. He probably broke a standoff or something. Whoa! Holy cow. That's so cool. What? You just pin it and see where it goes?
Oh.
This is frightening.
You're good.
I'm gonna be honest, this is frightening. See what Steve's gonna do. Nice. Dang. That XRT rips.
Like Doc Hudson.
Literally. Oh! Oh! See what the max does. Oh, that's a tire gone. Ah! Oh, yeah! Whoa! Holy cow, dude. Oh, no! My Sledge! Oh! Got Cooper Slash. Oh man. Front flip! Aww! Oh! Oh! Dude, my truck keeps almost getting taken out. This is so frightening. Oh! Time for a Traxxas. Dang. Dude, what was that, dude? Holy shit. Ain't nothing like an Arma. Oh my god, dude. This is chaos, dude. Literally controlled chaos. There's so much happening right now. Alright, we found a new spot. We're with Will and the Pede, picking his nose, Wade with the Max, me with the Monster Slash, and he rolls it. He should be. I gotta do it good for all my fans. My whole 8 people that watch him.
It's a whole lot of people.
That was lame. That was gay, dude. I'm gonna do that one more time. Well, I'm gonna jump at this, going this way now. We're gonna try it one more time. Hopefully I don't do it so freaking gaily.
What happened?
I jumped it on camera and then it didn't jump like it was stupid. There we go. Nice.
Epic. Epic.
That's all I needed. I just needed at least. We're gonna get Cooper here. That's Cooper right there. Don't mess up. You're gonna have 8 people watching.
Are you live?
No, I'm not live. Oh, there he goes. He jumps. So he's got an original E-Max, the black chassis with the 2-speed, and he's out here running this bad girl. What do you have to say? Oh! Oh, battery shot out.
Yeah. Battery self-ejected.
You know, it's for safety reasons. He's got the Slash. He's got the upgraded dips in it. Dude, it's hard. Try sitting on this side. It might be easier.
I'm gonna stand right in front of it until it almost hits me, and then I'm gonna duck.
Run! Let's see if this strategy works. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! You got it! Dude, that's crazy! Oh my god. Dude, he almost hit himself. You wanna see? Oh my god, dude! Oh. We're safe! Woo!
I wonder my email.
You're facing towards yourself, Dad. Hey, dude. We got Evan over there, too. With the rally car? Dang.
I've been friends with your uncle.
Nice. Dude, my batteries are gonna last forever because I've only hit this thing like 3 times. I've just been watching everyone else hit it.
Thank you. Yeah, I like that. There you go. Yeah.
Safety. Dude, that thing's clean.
There you go.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Color shit? Woo! Let's see this puppy.
Yeah. It'll go from green
Oh,
to blonde.
you got a battery hanging out here.
Uh-oh. Just a little.
Yeah, it's this little one. Is that for a fan?
Yeah.
Ah. It's got the rally car.
You're on your wheels.
Dang, look at that puppy. That's Freaking X-Max right there.
Yeah.
Here I go.
Oh, oh my God.
I can't see.
Okay, maybe stand where you can see.
Sorry, Will.
Will, that's 2 times you've dodged death, dude. There you go. We're at another spot with Steve. Steve with the red X-Max, big red. Nice. Oh, that's perfect. Bruh. You're gonna break something doing that.
I know. I already have a couple times.
See if I can do this one-handed. Nice. There you go. All right, now we got Will. Oh, bruh. Shoved it right into a bush. Get bushed. Oh my God, he's got the big guns. He's got the biggest dog out here. I have to zoom in on it so much. Yeah!
I can't drive my Sledge.
Why?
I didn't bring a connector for it.
Bruh.
What kind of connector you need?
I think it's like an XP60.
XP60
Yeah, I got you. Let me run back to my car.
Oh!
Prepared, so I didn't see the reason to bring it. I should just bring it every single time.
Landing directly on a... Oh my God, almost dying on a rock too. That's money.
Dude, that's actually a nice looking rock. I want to take that home and go crawl on it with my TRX-4M.
You can't thievery rocks, Will.
Shit.
It's illegal. I'll call the cops on you, dog. Look at that. Dude, that VW's freaking badass. Dude, that's kick ass. Let her eat. Alright, we got all kinds of stuff happening right now. We got Dad with the Revo, the classic. Thing rips. The Pro Moto ripping, and an LMT. Look at that guy. What? Oh man. It's carnage. Oh!
Oh. It's hard to control.
Carnage out here, guys. We got William with the airplane too. Jeez. Oh, the breeze kind of went down too. It'll be perfect.
That's all my perfect timing.
You're gonna toss it?
Yeah.
You want me to toss it?
That's you?
I can toss it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh! Look at that guy.
Trying to hover, but it's not that great a hover.
He's just a little guy. Dang, look at that puppy go. Real electric bikes. Watching tiny electric bikes. That's so awesome. Got an airplane going still. Dang. Alright, so we got the Sledge out. Got my Sledge out. Wade's still rocking with the E-Max. The Max. We got Mike running his Max too. Everyone's just kind of taking a break, but I don't have all day out here, so I want to try to run as much as I can. Got Mike running Evan's Pro Moto. I drove a Pro Moto, I want one now. All right, we got Wade behind the camera, and I'm gonna try this jump with my Sledge, and hopefully I don't break anything. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, okay, we're not jumping that way. And I got a stick stuck in my wheel.
Nice.
Sounds like poo-poo.
Oh. Oh no!
Dude, it's been so long since I jumped this thing. Where'd it go? Oh, it's on too. Cool.
There.
Alright, we're gonna try that one more time, but I don't think it's better. Oh, shit.
battery isn't on by its side?
That seems dangerous. Oh, you cleared the whole thing.
Take out. I think
That was
if I hit
cool.
it faster, I can clear it.
T-Max. There we go. There it is.
There you go. Nice. Alright, you ready?
Where are you at? Oh,
Dude, it almost cleared all of it.
that was cool.
I think I can clear it.
Edgar, hit that one again.
No, I'm gonna land it. I'm gonna stand right here. This might be a dumb idea. Oh my god.
I hit a rock.
Oof.
We'll do that again.
Come on, you got it.
Got it, I got it.
Oh, close. I don't know if you have enough. There she is.
Oh, it's in a rock. There you go. That's good. Alright, so we're at a new spot. We're trying to get up this big ass hill. I just backflipped up it, so I'm gonna try to recreate that. I probably won't be able to though, but yeah. If you want to.
Oh,
Oh!
almost did it. Nope.
Oh, right on the nose.
How this thing is not dead? There we go. Oh,
Okay,
oh,
well I
did a
backflipped it, but
all the rocks. Ouch.
done.
I mean, you made it up.
It's up here. I did. Well, that's good enough, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't see what I was doing. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time.
Alright, let's do this one more time. I don't think I even filmed it. I was just looking in like real life.
Put it in like 0.5, yeah.
I was just like, wow, whoa.
Oh,
Ouch. Land? Hey.
calculated.
Calculated.
That's scary.
The proper way to transport your RC cars. I'm not carrying it all the way down there. Battery died in the sledge, so we gotta carry it back.
What happened? It died?
Yeah, it didn't break or anything.
Battery's dead?
Yeah, the battery just died. Well, Cooper, what's been your favorite jump so far? Besides, getting hit. I know that's your least favorite jump, but...
I would say that one that we were hitting earlier.
That right there.
That one?
That one.
That's your favorite?
Until next time when we go to that step up,
Yeah.
then we're really gonna have some fun.
That jump, so that one right there,
That one is pretty cool.
I think if I hit that one, I might be able to clear it all the way to that side with the X-Max.
Do it like on this one?
Maybe. No, not this big one, that smaller one right there.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
I think we might be able to do that. Run up.
I think that's like 70 feet.
I don't know. All I know is that we got good video of that XRT to show people. Yeah. Freaking. The 20-year-old truck is the only one driving back because everyone else's batteries died.
I still have battery. I'm just being cool with you guys.
Dang.
Well, I still have a...
Cooper, why are you not carrying your truck back like all the cool kids?
Because it's more fun.
Honestly, you got me there. That's... Oh, he rolled it. You got me there. That's very true.
Yeah, I need to solder that.
Dang.
Oof.
So that's broke.
Came out of the battery. Ooh, good. So the actual bit.
So the Rustler pulled the shock tower. Dang.
Yeah.
What's wrong
The
with the DVR?
Arma was destroyed.
Is that a film camera?
Mini
Yeah,
Mac.
35 millimeter. Oh,
It's
okay.
one of the knuckle
Oh, the
things,
knuckles.
I think. What's wrong
Broken
with
knuckle.
it? What's wrong with the fist scope?
Oh, it's that one right there.
Ah.
And then the Arma,
It just broke the front everything, that's all.
front everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, just replace the front everything. It'll be good.
Just buy a new arm at this point.
Armor sucks.
Gosh dang. He was going pretty hard with that armor though.
With that armor.
But yeah,
Not as
that's
hard as we were with everything else though.
that's true. Dude, you had that freaking XRT. You had that was probably the highest that any truck has went today. Is that
didn't break
XRT.
At all. Just blew a tire out.
Really?
It's fine. It's totally fine.
Dang. So we got the X-Max out now. There's a gap that I want to try to do, but we're gonna wait for Cooper to get his battery. Oh, there he is. All right. Oh. So I'm gonna try to jump off that and then land it over here. I don't know exactly how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it.
But then you're talking about that other jump over there.
No, that one's easy. I want to try doing this one. You want to film for me, please?
No.
No.
All right, so we're gonna try to do it.
I'm just saying over here. Bam.
You think you would handle it?
I did with the vehicle.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm gonna try it out with my email.
Dude, that was awesome!
That did that easily. Give her the beans. Huh. Oh, I got that. That was butter. Or any big. Oh.
That's fucking badass, dude. This is the best jump. This is the best jump for sure. And there's a rock there, sir. You can't park there. Yes, I can. That's why there's a rock there.
Okay, not as buttery, but still cool.
Alright, we gotta do another jump now.
Yeah.
So we're at another jump now, but I don't know if it's gonna work because everyone was hitting it this morning and it didn't work.
It was
so,
right there. That little dip
bump,
right there sends you over.
I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, see, there's like a weird hump
Maybe
over
if
there.
I take it on the inside or I roll it.
That's better.
Pretty factory.
That's what all the factory tracks are.
Yeah,
There you go. That thing looks huge up there.
All right,
Recording.
we're gonna do the big jump. I don't know how good it's gonna work though.
Oh my god. Hey. Nice.
Oh my! Look at my body. The rear end came off. Well, time for a new one. I record it.
Bobbin. Yeah. That's clean.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, it was a very fun day. I had a lot of fun with everybody. I had minimal breakage. These two, money. They just need to be cleaned up and they're good to go for the next time. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to drive my Mini-Max, even though it looks like I did. It's just, I haven't cleaned it since the last time I driven it, so that's why it's kind of dirty. The X-Max, on the other hand, we had a tiny little oopsie. Just a tiny little oopsie. Yeah, so I did snap the chassis in half. This top brace looks to be okay. The center section is completely snapped in half. These side guards are okay. I know the center shaft is bent because it's totally locked up, like it doesn't hardly move. The bottom skid is snapped as well, but like it's a clean break all the way through. So yeah, I'd say after that jump, that last one that we got, that's pretty good, because that truck was easily 60, 65 foot in the air and landing all the way totally flat on the ground with a truck this big. That isn't too terrible. I didn't go too crazy with the Sledge. It wasn't, I was still kind of, you know, freshly rebuilt car. I didn't want to tear it up super duper bad. So kind of went easy on it, but I still jumped it a bit. And then this thing, it was so small and light, it was kind of getting tossed around by everything. So yeah, all the batteries are still good as well. So yeah, it was fun, and I really had a good time. And let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. I had a lot of fun making it. Unfortunately, there was a break, but I guess it could be worse. I could have all my cars be broken. Peace.